My rooster crows the minute I start. Okay, hi, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. I was making keto granola and I thought I would share it with you and how freaking fast it is. So I've got my oven on 180 and in my Thermomix, and you can just use a blender. In here, I've got 250 grams of mixed nuts. So nuts and seeds, so things like whatever's in the bottom of your cupboard that you need to use up. So in here I've got pecans, almonds, macadamias, pistachios, walnuts, what else have I got? Sunflower seeds, and also sesame seeds. So you can also use, like I just got this at Aldi. So that's just raw mixed nuts because you're gonna bake them. And this granola can be used as a base for little granola cups. So you can put a few spoonfuls of this in. You could then put some full-fat Greek yogurt in, and then the berry jam. So what we're gonna do is on top of all the nuts and seeds, so linseeds, really good for you, chia seeds, full of fiber. The thing with nuts is they're really filling. And you sort of can't, you can eat too many, but you can't really, if that makes sense. So on top of that, what we're going to do is put, I've just got this from Aldi, couple of spoonfuls of coconut oil, like you want the solid stuff. And you'll see it's white because you want this to solidify when it's not hot. So it's about 2 tablespoons, that'll do. Oops. So good for your brain. Then I've got about 2 tablespoons of powdered erythritol here. I've just made a different batch, so that just goes straight in. So this one I'm trying out as well. So I always carry the powdered erythritol because I just think it tastes the best. So, but this stuff here, anything that's monk fruit, stevia, erythritol, they're the best. And you can buy the powdered monk fruit in Coles and Woolies now, right up the top where most people don't look. And then just a couple of spoonfuls, I'm using this, so it's pure stevia, it's really concentrated. So like tiniest stuff, again, I carry this. Or you could use some of the liquid stevia. The thing with this, like stevia, anything kind of stevia that, like green stevia, always has that bit of a weird taste. So yeah, it looks like this. So just give me a sec and I'm just gonna whiz this in my blender for 0.8 seconds or something like that. So, the best thing with this granola is it just uses up what's in the bottom of the cupboard. Like so quick. So bear with me. That's it. So faster speed, quickly in your blender. And I'll show you what it looks like. So then let me just tip it down. So sorry, hope you're not getting dizzy. I've got a baking tray, just spread this out. And you just blend it at the graininess, I don't know what the word is, the chunkiness you want. So you can see that sort of, I don't know, it's got a few chunks left in it. Let's just do the rest of this. I'll show you a batch I've got on. It's stuck in the bottom. All right, so just gonna spread that out a little bit and I'll show you in just a sec. I just use my hands. Ta-da! So that's gonna go in the oven. Uh-oh. Okay, I don't know if you saw all the smoke come out of my oven then. That's what happens when you forget your nuts. All right, we're pretty good. I would suggest you set a timer. You can see why. Nuts burn really quickly, and then all you need to do is just give this a bit of a shake, and you can see it's it's really hot. You can see it's sort of forming clumps. Now this goes in the oven Don't use your hands for that one. I'll show you this in just a sec. This goes in the oven at 180 for, well, that was like 7 minutes. And you probably want a 25-minute process, but sort of stirring every, I don't know, 5, just to keep an eye on it. So you need to set aside half an hour, but it's super easy to mix up, super easy to make, and it's bloody delicious and really filling. The kids really like it too. So when Hannah gets home, she'll have Greek yogurt or mousse, like chocolate mousse, and she'll put this on top of it with some berries. Super good, super healthy, great for you. I'll post the recipe in below this. And yeah, let me know if you make it. Don't sweat the nuts and seeds too much. Use whatever you've got. Okay? See ya.